What's up, TC family? Welcome back to my channel. Now, I want to know how many of you are considering buying a new construction home, but you're not sure how it compares to a pre-owned home in terms of looks, quality, and price. Now, on today's video, I want us to discuss new construction homes and what are some of the things you should consider when purchasing a new construction home. So let's dive in. You've all probably driven by and seen those signs that says new home starting at $300,000. They're pretty shiny and new and the price looks great, right? But what is the enticement behind those newly built homes? Is it worth it to get a new construction house instead of just buying a pre-owned house? What are some benefits of owning a new construction home versus resale? Now, I love new construction homes, but buying a new home versus buying a resale home is a very different process. The new construction homes I will be talking about in this video are referring to a large builder who is building out a new neighborhood or a portion of a neighborhood. You may have heard of a few builders like Lennar Homes, D.R. Horton, Ryan Homes, KB Homes, and so much more. One thing I would suggest when starting a new construction buying process is that you get a realtor that knows about new construction. Having that representation to help you facilitate the transaction would be worth it. Those sales reps you see when you visit a model home are there to represent the builder, so have a realtor by your side to be your representative and let the sales rep know you are working with an agent. Make sure to give the builder or the sales rep your agent's name and information. Now let's get into some of the benefits of having a new construction home. The first benefit of a new construction is that you get to customize your home from the beginning. You will be meeting with the builder to pick your floor plan, your paint color, your kitchen details, and layout of how you want your home to be. Having this feature could be a big bonus because each detail will be picked by you. Next is no maintenance. With a new construction home, you won't have to do much maintenance for years because from the beginning, your foundation is going to be brand new, the plumbing is going to be new, electrical and heating is all new, and there will be a big financial benefit for you in the next few years. Another benefit is new home materials are usually energy efficient, which means that you may be able to save on your utility bills. Along with energy efficiency, new homes are equipped with the latest technology built in. Imagine a lot of homes now come with smart alarm systems already installed or smart doorbells with cameras already hooked up and ready for you when you move in. This should save you some time and money, so you won't be putting holes in the wall and trying to install everything yourself. Home warranty. Do you remember when you bought your first car and the sales rep told you that you have about 50,000 miles warranty on there? Well, a new construction home often comes with a warranty as well. Most warranty usually lasts between 1 to 10 years depending on the builder. This means the builder will cover the cost of any issues during the warranty period, such as leaky roofs or broken water heater. Have your agent check with the builder on any warranty they offer. Amenities. Now, another bonus to new construction is that they sometimes come with amenities that you may not get with a pre-owned home. Some of these amenities could include a tennis court, a spa, a gym, a clubhouse, walking trail, or even a pool. There are always something for everyone. While new homes come with a lot of great things, there is also other items to consider, like understanding cost. Cost is very important, and the cost associated with a new home is important. Usually there is a marketing price that says starting at $200,000, $300,000. That's just the base price. This does not include upgrades. Prices can add up with upgrades, including whether you want granite countertops, open floor plan, wood or tile flooring, recessed lighting, fireplace. There is a lot of premium costs for a home. You also have to consider a lot premium cost. This is usually if your home is located near a lake or a pool or has a view, whether it's a mountain view or lake view, ocean view. Always ask the builder about lot premium when you visit the builder. Along with home costs comes with closing costs. Every builder is different, so pay attention to closing costs. Buyers will usually be responsible for closing costs. However, builders sometimes offer incentives and rebates if you use their lender. You don't have to use a builder's preferred lender. Just make sure to shop around to get the best rate for yourself and make sure the lender interest rate can match that of a third party. Another thing is inspections. Yes, you can do an inspection for a new construction. I recommend a pre-drywall inspection. The inspection will look at everything inside the house. I also recommend an inspection just before closing to make sure everything functions correctly before you close on the home. Get the inspection. This will help you deal with any issues that may come up before you close on the home. Remember to have a backup plan if you're selling your home or renting a home, because there are a lot of things that can cause delays with new construction. It could be city permits, the weather, contractors. If you can't have a delay, look for an inventory home. It will make it a lot easier to pinpoint a closing date on a home that is almost finished than having to wait for your home to be built. Now, I hope these details help anyone out there looking to buy a new construction home. If you are looking to buy a new construction home in the South Florida area, comment and let me know. If you like this video, remember to hit the like button and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get updates on new videos. If you have any question, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and you can also go to my website at tchomslifestyle.com. If you're interested in more details on the home buying process, just check out my video on quick tips to make home buying process smoother. That's coming up next. And thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. So long.